Welcome back to Brain Bites, Brainiacs, for another fun challenge. Today we bring you the high school quiz with 50 questions. 50 questions across 5 difficulty levels, starting from easy to impossible. Are you smart enough to beat this challenge? Before we start, please subscribe to our channel Brain Bites for more fun challenges. And yes, don't forget to tell us your score in comments. Let us begin the easy level. Who wrote the famous drama Romeo and Juliet? It's one of William Shakespeare's most famous tragedies, a literature masterpiece. Can you tell what planet is known as the Red Planet? It is Mars. It appears red due to iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Can you tell what is the capital of France? Yes, it is Paris. It is also known as the City of Lights. Do you know what gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Yes, plants use carbon dioxide in photosynthesis. Do you know which artist painted the Mona Lisa? It's Leonardo da Vinci. He painted Mona Lisa in 1503. Do you know who is known as the father of computers? Charles Babbage invented the concept of a programmable computer. Do you know what is the hardest natural substance on Earth? It is diamonds, as they have strong covalent bonds between carbon atoms in their crystal structure. Do you know that what is the largest ocean on Earth? Yes, it is Pacific Ocean. It covers more than 30% of Earth's surface. Can you tell who was the first person to walk on the moon? On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. Do you know which language has the most native speakers? It's Mandarin Chinese, and it has over 900 million native speakers. Can you tell which Shakespeare play has the line, "To be or not to be"? It's from Hamlet's famous soliloquy. Do you know which musical instrument has 88 keys? A full-size piano has 88 keys. Can you tell who sang the famous song Thriller? It's a Michael Jackson blockbuster. Thriller is the best-selling album ever. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? It is Portuguese, as Brazil was colonized by Portugal. Can you tell which continent is also a country? Australia is both a country and a continent. Great job. Let's begin the medium level. Can you tell what is the boiling point of water at sea level? Review the options carefully. "100 degrees Celsius equals 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Both are correct at sea level." That was a tricky one, right? Okay. Let's see if you know this one. Who invented the telephone? Yes, it was Alexander Graham Bell. He patented the telephone in 1876. Do you know who painted The Starry Night? Van Gogh painted it while he was in a mental hospital. You know what is the largest internal organ in the human body? Liver is the answer. It makes up about 16% of your overall body mass. Do you know what year did World War II end? World War II ended after Japan's surrender in 1945. It lasted for 6 years. Let's see if you know this one. What instrument measures earthquakes? Seismographs are instruments used to record the motion of the ground during an earthquake. Do you know that who discovered the force of gravity? Legend says an apple falling on his head inspired him to discover the force of gravity. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the UK? It was Margaret Thatcher. She served from 1979 to 1990. Can you tell what is the capital of Canada? Ottawa is Canada's capital, in the east of southern Ontario, near the city of Montreal and the US border. What country is also known as the Land of the Rising Sun? Japan is east of mainland Asia, where the sun rises. Do you know that what does the term DNA stand for? The answer is deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA carries genetic information. Do you have any idea that what country has the most natural lakes? It is Canada. Canada has approximately 2 million lakes. Well done, Brainiacs. Let's gear up for the hard level. Do you know what is the powerhouse of the cell? It is mitochondria. It produces cellular energy, ATP. What is the smallest prime number? Two is actually the only even prime number and the smallest also. Do you know, in which year was the UN founded? UN was founded in 1945 after World War II to promote peace. Can you tell who discovered penicillin? It is Alexander Fleming who discovered it accidentally from mold in 1928. What element has the atomic number 1? Hydrogen is the lightest and most abundant element. What's the term for animals active at night? They are called nocturnal. Bats and owls are nocturnal. Which continent has the most countries? The answer is Africa. Africa has almost 54 countries. Do you know who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? The answer is Harper Lee. It won the Pulitzer Prize in 1961. Any idea what is the capital of Vietnam? It is Hanoi. It's the southernmost capital in the world. What's the term for an animal that eats both plants and meat? It is omnivores. A good example are Western gorillas. And yes, us humans are also omnivores. Do you know which metal is liquid at room temperature? It is mercury. Mercury is used in thermometers. What's the smallest country in the world? It is Vatican City. Vatican City is only 44 hectares. The real test begins now. It's the impossible level. Do you know what is the speed of light? Light travels at approximately 300,000 kilometers per second in a vacuum. Who developed the theory of relativity? It was Albert Einstein. E equals mc squared is one of the famous equation. Which painter cut off his own ear? It was Van Gogh. He later gifted it to a woman. What is the longest river in the world? It is River Nile, and it stretches a massive 6,695 kilometers. Who invented the World Wide Web? It is Tim Berners-Lee. He created it in 1989 while at CERN. What is the currency of South Korea? Korea's currency is the won. Korean currency dates back as far as the Goryeo dynasty, 918 to 1392. What is Shakespeare's longest play? It is Hamlet. Hamlet contains over 30,000 words. Which planet rotates on its side? The answer is Uranus. Its tilt is about 98 degrees. What's the rarest blood type? It is AB negative. Only 1% of people have AB negative. What was the first full-length animated movie? It was Snow White, and it was released in 1937. Who was the first woman in space? It was Valentina Tereshkova. She flew in 1963 aboard Vostok 6. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next challenge.